Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore background location updates for iOS apps, full guide step by step clearly. To restore background location updates for your iOS apps, first unlock your device and open the Settings app. Scroll down and select the Privacy and Security option. In this menu, tap on Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is toggled on at the top of the screen. Next, scroll through the list of apps to find the one you want to modify. Select the desired app from the list. You will see several options for location access. Choose either while using the app or always, depending on your preference. If you select always, confirm your choice if prompted. Make sure to enable background app refresh for the app in your settings. To do this, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and select General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure it is set to either Wi-Fi and cellular data, or enabled. After that, return to the previous menu and go back to the app settings. Check for any specific settings within the app itself that might affect location tracking. Some apps may require additional permissions to use location in the background. Next, restart your device to ensure that all changes take effect. Once your device restarts, open the app to check if it is now updating location in the background. You may also want to check for any available updates for the iOS version or the app. To do this, open the App Store and navigate to the Updates section. If an update is available, tap Update next to the app. After updating, restart your device again. Finally, test the app to confirm that background location updates are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.